Hey Mr. Bledsoe, this is Braydon from your 2B class, and this is my video on advanced functions. So for this video, my parent function is on the left, y equals 10 to the x power, and this is graphed by, it's really close to the x-axis, but it never touches it, so that's an asymptote. And it goes through the y-axis at 1, the y value, so it's 0, 1, and then it just slopes up. So I had to make up my own function based off of this parent function, and I made up y equals -3 parentheses 10 to the x plus 5 power parentheses minus 7. And it's shown by this. And now I'm going to go through what all of this means that I added on to this. The negative means that you flip it. So the way this is like curving up, now it's curving down. And this 3 means it's a stretch, a vertical stretch of 3. So you can't really see it that good right here. But I mean, like if you did this in parentheses and you put a 3 out in front of it, this, instead of going and intersecting at 0, 1, it'd be 0, 3. So it'd be intersecting the y-axis up here. Now the plus 5 to the x, that means for every, you're basically adding on. Like if x was like 1, then it'd be 10 to the 6th power, because 1 plus 5 is 6. So x is 1, so you go to 1, and then 10 to the 6th power, that's what it'd be at that part, or that portion of the graph. And then the -7 means that this, or like the asymptote, or basically 0, goes down 7. So, and that's what it is. And then it lowers your graph. But if it was plus 7, then it'd be 7 up here. So the domain is all real numbers because this will go infinitely over here and this will go infinitely over here. And it doesn't look like it, but if you zoom it out or pull it up on a calculator and you change the windows, you can actually see that this even crosses the y-axis, and it'll keep going this way, but probably very slowly. The range is y is less than or equal to 7, and the reason why that is because it doesn't quite get to -7, but it's really close. So it never goes above -7, but the reason why it's less than is because it's negative numbers, so it'll go downward, like this arrow is pointing. And then asymptotes, there's nothing for x since it's all real numbers, so the only thing you can do is for the range, which is y equals, and that's -7. And that's my video on advanced functions.